We've got a special interview with one of our first beta testers. That's right, one of the first beta testers of Success Formula Ecom Mastery, the CEO of Tixon's Easy Living. He's actually the proud owner of the ecom store Stats you see on the screen right now. So we're bringing you an exclusive interview to give you behind the scenes on what's possible with e-commerce, with what's possible with the success formula, and how you can achieve similar results. So, Mr. Tickley, how are you doing?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Great to have you with us. I must say you've done some incredible work, and a lot of our viewers out there will love to achieve results of this nature.
Of course, with the help of you and your team and the courses that I went through, it of course took me a long way and a mission of 2 years to get to where it was, where it is, and where it's still going to go.
Most definitely. I must say you've done some fantastic work, and I'm just to show the people that this is all live. We're just going to go to reports and we're going to go to stats just to show you exactly what we mean when we say we're very transparent. And you know, we could have just put screenshots out there of the balances, but we said let's do a video with one of our beta testers, one of our students, to show you what they are achieving with our formula and you hearing from them. So you can see there's a date range. We're just gonna go well, we got here from 2021 to 2022. We hit apply. Well, it's already set 95,392. Mr. Tickley, tell us a little bit more about your journey.
Okay, so it's been a hard push. Of course, the starting wasn't as easy. We were pushing and trying to make the sales, but consistency, pushing at it all the time and trying to make sure that people, trying to get traffic and visitors to your website, and just trying.
That's true. So you're saying let's take it from trying.
Yeah, just trying to get there. And of course, with the help of the course has pushed me a long way in terms of placing my things, how to put my items, how to gain the right traffic that I need for the website and for my customer baseline. That helped me a lot with all your algorithms and your team's help. It really helped pushing.
Oh, we love to hear that, Mr. Tickley, and we truly excited to see your success and see what you're doing. And I know you've got a lot more in store for people. So we're just going to go back to dashboard because there's something quite interesting. What sort of advice you'd like to give? Because it's something that you mentioned to me a little bit earlier before we started this when you spoke about abandoned carts. What sort of advice you'd like to give to the entrepreneurs out there who's getting ready to start a store and get into the e-com industry?
So as you can see that at the moment there's 15 not paid orders. So of course you're going to get people that place orders and don't pay. And what I found was getting back to your clients. So going to them, clicking on it, finding out who they are, giving them a call and going back and saying, hey, what is the problem? You guys placed an order. How can we assist you? And just reaching out to your clients.
Wow, I think that's such powerful advice because, you know, treat it like a business and it will pay you like a business. And as you can see, 311,000 is pretty good work. 386 orders live right here. So all we can say is get access to the success formula for $17. And remember, the price goes up with every purchase. I think for $17 is quite a good deal for people.
But I've covered my $17 in more than 100-fold, I would suppose.
Well, there you have it from Mr. Tickley himself, the proud owner of Tixon's Easy Living. You are hearing it live right here on Success Formula Ecom Mastery Season 1. God bless you.